Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we are going to draw and color baby Pink Panther. Let's start drawing. At first, I'm going to draw some circles for the eye of the cute baby Pink Panther. Then I draw his nose. And his mouth. Now I'm going to draw his head with two small ears. I draw his eyebrows and color them black. And his eyes too. Now let's draw his body. I draw his two arms and legs. He's sitting on the ground, and he's playing with two cute toys. A rainbow striped ball and a ducky on wheels. Good job! Now I am going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to use light pink for the inner part of his ears, his jaw, and also for his cute belly. I'm going to color his nose with a light red. Okay, let's start coloring his body with this pink marker. Be patient, this takes some time. Keep coloring. Great! Now I'm going to color his eyes with a yellow marker. Awesome! For the striped ball, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow in the middle, green, blue, and purple. For this ducky on wheels, I'm going to use mustard yellow. And orange for its beak. I color the inner part of its wheel with light green, and I use fuchsia for the rest. Amazing! Yippee! Wow, he looks adorable! If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!